Hey, welcome to Shepherd Gaming. Today, we're drinking a beer. You know, it's that easy. That easy. That's all we're doing. One beer. An old Milwaukee, of course. None other. And all we're just going to do is a simple shotgun. But, it's not just a simple shotgun. I'm going to try to break it open with my thumb, but not just the normal way. I'm going to try to punch it. One thumb punch through. Then the shotgun. So one fast thumb punch, hopefully. Hopefully it breaks through, and if it does break through, hopefully it doesn't slice my finger open. If it does, we're still gonna chug the beer, and I'll take care of the rest later. All right, so let's give it a try. I'm kind of nervous. I don't know if this is gonna work. It's definitely gonna go psh in my face. So my computer's this way. Beer spray goes this way. I don't know how to do this, man. Really, I don't. It worked. I'm not cut up, but it kind of rained beer in here.